Hello, friends, and welcome. This is C. Rajiv Khatlawala, author of How to Profit from Technical Analysis. I'm a trader as well as a financial trader. And in fact, I would like to tell you that yes, apart from the intraday levels which I give you, intraday targets which I give you in the morning every day, 10 o'clock, I am sure those of you who are following are getting benefited from those levels because they are price targets and you can book profits at the indicated levels. And you have also seen the efficiency of these levels in the past few days, especially since 17th of September, since we started giving these intraday levels. So now in this video, in fact, this is evaluation of how or what stock you can trade for the next couple of days. So this is not necessarily an intraday trading particularly video, but this is for the purpose of trading for the next couple of days. So I have chosen based on the technical structure of the stock. I have chosen State Bank of India, where the hourly technical structure looks quite promising. This, as you can see here, this is the hourly chart, and here State Bank of India, after making a high of 230 uh, 31st of August 2020. The entire, after that high, the entire September, there was a lower high, lower low formation, means it was a downtrend, and that downtrend went on up till 175. So there was a big fall from 230 till 175. And from there, the price has recovered back, and we are right now at around 191. This is the 191, the today's closing. Today meaning 6th of October. Now, quite an interesting technical structure is getting evolved here on the hourly charts. And I observe that this is an inverted head and shoulder pattern here. On the State Bank of India hourly chart, the breakout has already occurred at 189. The prices went nearer to 194.95, and that is yesterday, and they have again fallen back, but there is a clear-cut indication from the indicators, that is MACD, RSI, and other indicators, including Bollinger Band, that the upward trajectory, upward bias is high here. So I would say that beyond 193, one should target higher levels here. So what are those levels? So let me give you an idea as to what the levels can be and how you can initiate a trade in this particular stock. Please note once again that this is the hourly chart, and therefore the view taken here is not for one day, it is not for intraday, but it is for a couple of days, 3 days period. So if you are ready to hold on to your position for the next couple of days, only then you can then you should initiate your trades. Now let me give you an idea as to how you will initiate the trade. So your trade initiation will occur nearer to 193.50. So once the price breaks beyond 193.50, you can enter the stock, and your target would be around 203. So there is a huge around 9 to 10 rupee upward upward movement, possible movement. And on the lower side, on the lower side, there is a stop loss which you can keep at 188 initially, but as the price starts moving up nearer to 197, 198, you can trail your stop loss and trail it nearer to 191. So your entry point, I will repeat, is 193.50, the breakout of that level. And once that is done, your target would be around 203. Please note that incidentally, this target is also matching with the retracement levels as well as the inverted head and shoulder targets. So this should be a good trade. Let us see in the next couple of days how the things turn out. So tomorrow, that is 7th of October 2020, you can initiate the trade as I have indicated, based on the technical structure and based on the momentum indicators which it is suggesting. So I hope the overall structure is clear to you, and you can initiate. I would recommend here, friends, that please do maintain your stop losses in case for some XYZ reason, if the prices start falling again and your stop is hit, please exit your position. Do not hold on in a hope that someday it will come back again. So please do not do that. When we say it is a technical stop loss, you have to stick to it, and that is the that discipline we need to have. So thank you very much, and see you tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock, with the price targets for various indices as well as certain stocks. Thank you very much.